How to fix Microsoft sign-in error 1200. What's up everyone? In this tutorial I'm going to show you guys how you can fix the error code 1200 on your Microsoft sign-in. Let's get started. First thing you want to do is head over to your Run dialog box. In order to open that, you can just press Windows plus R and your Run dialog will open. And now here you want to type in % and then app local data. You're going to search for local app data right here. So just type in local app data and then % again. Click on enter. It will open up this folder right here. You're going to search for Microsoft here and go ahead and open your Microsoft folder. And here what you want to do is delete the credential folder. So just click on it and delete this folder. Alright, so this is the first method. The second method is you have to open your browser and then click on the three dots on the top right to go ahead and open your settings. On the left side of your screen you can see different settings. You are going to click on autofill and password. Right below there, this is privacy and security. And here you can click on delete browsing data. You can choose your password, autofill, and site settings as well if you want. You can do this all time or you can do it up to last 7 days. And then just click on delete data. Once you do this, the third method that you actually have to do is go ahead and open your Run dialog box again, Windows plus R. And here you are going to type in msconfig. This will open up your system configuration. And on the top you can see different tabs like General Boot Services. Click on the Services item, click on Hide All Microsoft Services, and you are gonna just unselect all of the unnecessary ones and then click on Apply and then OK. Once you do this, give your device a quick restart and then you should be good to go. If you found the video helpful, head down below to give this video a big thumbs up and then don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I'll catch you on the next one.